That sounds like a great project. Appreciate the order. We're gonna ship from our factory direct to you. Every project begins with a vision that you're bringing to life. At Advantage Lumber, that is what inspires us. When you call us, you don't get a recording. You're going to talk with an expert and get your questions answered in one phone call. We're passionate about matching the best product for your project. That's why we have traveled the world to curate the best selection of building materials anywhere. And because we're factory direct, you get a real value, competitive pricing, custom solutions, and quality we control in-house. We're doing the work so you don't have to. We know time matters. That's why we keep the largest inventory available in the US ready to ship, same day or next, because your project shouldn't wait. Since 1992, we stand behind our products and we do what we say, because our products are made to last. So if you want world-class service, premium materials, factory direct value, speed, and the confidence that you made the right choice, you came to the right place.